Wow, my people, I'm there again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and every one. Manners, you see? Yes, I have videos that I'm going to present to you as well. And you know, pardon me for not being here yesterday, but I have certain things that I had to deal with. So I say, anyways, now I'm going to present a video to you that I recorded in Jamaica. This video is going to show civilians and law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica. Based on some things that at least one person said in this video, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that law enforcers who you can see in this video had been accused of damaging what many people within the country of Jamaica call handcart and taking away vendors' goods. Now the reason why I said accused is because that's one of the best ways for me to explain about the video and present the video to you. And I want you to look at the video carefully so that you can get a better understanding about this whole situation. I don't know how bad the handcart or the cart had been damaged, but take a look at this video for yourself. Observe, my people.
Look, it's all what let me take up. Go on,
Oh, you know, if you mash up your man chat, you're too terrible. Oh, no, too terrible. Oh, you know, if you mash up your man chat, oh, you take away man, load them already and mash up your man chat. Oh, no, too wicked. Oh, no, too wicked. Oh, it's too wicked. You can't mash up your man chat and you take away man, load them already. Oh, you want to report. Oh, you want to report and top texted for Igla. Oh, you top texted for Igla. And I laugh too funny. Oh, no one go verbal with this guy. Watch them over there, so take away people there, Lord. Watch them again. Watch them again. Watch them again and take away people there, Lord. Watch them again. They're too wicked. Straight from TikTok, they have said this about.
But people, before I say certain things, I want to say certain things first. I am a law-abiding citizen. I am not against the law. Yes, I say. But I can't help but wonder what happened to those goods when it comes down to a situation where law enforcers take away vendors' goods. What happened to those goods? What them do with them things there? Because in this time right about now, food must not be wasted. You get me, some people? Yes, so I wonder what happened to those goods when it comes down to a case where law enforcers take away vendors' goods. All those vendors, and I wonder how them feel. What them are going to do for make money? All them things I think about my people. I hope so that the government of Jamaica one day will set up a system that will make things more easier between law enforcers and vendors. So I say my people, yeah man, because you know, I better the vendor then get a ticket. At least them will have them goods so can make a money. You see me I say? I tell you. And then again, if the system come in, something else might go wrong. But I tell you, I don't know. I know my people. Sometimes you just feel a way when time you have to talk about certain things over and over and over and over. Because the same thing keep happening over and over and over in different types of situations. You see me I say my people? Yeah man. But anyways, you know, you can let me know what to think about the video that I just presented to you. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now before we get into the next topic, my people, I want to encourage each and every one to click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, so that you can be notified whenever I post another video. Alright? Now listen me now, my people. See? I got information that a man used a machete to chop a man who goes by the last name of Bennett, causing his death. To my knowledge, the incident happened on the 16th of September the year 2022, and the incident have residents within Walker's Hill, Red Hills, St. Andrew, Jamaica, talking about the whole situation. Yes, the incident happened within St. Andrew, Jamaica. It is said that the man who chopped Bennett, causing his death, allegedly is a mentally ill person or allegedly mentally challenged. You hear me, some people? Allegedly, you know. Or it is believed so. So me I say. Now, based on information that I got, it is said that Bennett was walking along the road, or Bennett was at a certain location when he had been attacked by the man with a machete. It is said that Bennett had been chopped in the neck area. And it is also said that the same machete wielding man injured at least one other person and allegedly tried to attack other persons. It is said that a police officer fired a shot in the air, or fired a warning shot, to try and scare the person because of some things that the person was doing. And I'm talking about the machete wielding man, number people. However, that person, who is said to be the machete wielding man, had been apprehended by the police and is in police custody. Yeah, it is said that the person is in police custody, viewers and subscribers. Eh? Now, me also got information that the same man who had been taken into police custody, his house had been set on fire. Allegedly, it is said that a resident or residents set fire to that person's house. However, based on other information that I got, it is said that the house didn't totally burn down because firefighters responded and put out the blaze, my people. Now, them type of situation make me think about certain things when it comes on to mentally ill people on the road, you know. Even though it is said that the person allegedly have mental issues or allegedly mentally challenged, viewers and subscribers, me still wonder. Because the information then when we get as to how the person behave, in my point of view, don't seems to be the behavior of somebody who is within his or her right mind. See? Even children was at danger at the time when the man that do certain things based on information I get number people. And let me tell you something, it's one time somebody who is mentally ill do certain things that might even cause someone's death because the person is mentally ill. Sometimes the situation will reach to the point where that person gets sentenced to certain amount of years in prison and them things there. Because a mentally ill person is considered as a person who might not even realize what the person that do. Because me also get information that the person are behaving ways as if the person don't even realize what the person had done. But me don't know if it's true. So all them things that me I think about my people. Anyways, if the things that I want me tell you are informative, and if you like how the way me try to bring information to you as accurate as possible, and you want to stay in tune with Dancehall Skilla, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. I'm going to move on to another topic. I got information that the body of a baby was found floating in the Rio Kobe River in the vicinity of a place that is known as Bucktown in St. Catherine, Jamaica on Thursday the 15th of September the year 2022. The baby is believed to be a newborn baby, viewers and subscribers. And it is said that the body was fished from the river by a resident after firefighters was unable to retrieve the body. It is said that the newborn is a girl child, viewers and subscribers, and it is said that the police are trying to find out who's the mother of the child that died, which is one of the first things that I thought about when I first got information about this whole situation, viewers and subscribers. And I also got unconfirmed information that police believe that the baby or the body of the baby was thrown into the river elsewhere and the body float until it reached where the body had been found. So it is said that the police are doing their investigation to see if them can get an understanding as to why something like this happened. See, or it is said that the police have launched an investigation into the circumstances surrounding the discovery of the body of a newborn baby. Quite disturbing, my people. Now I tell you, every day something new. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, my people, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a hole in the floor of a motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. And the motor vehicle was traveling at the time when this piece of video be recorded. Yeah, this video that I'm about to present to you certainly bring an awareness to me, and I hope that it bring an awareness to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. When you're going into someone's motor vehicle, whether it wants to be a bus or a private motor vehicle, be careful. Yeah, be careful. Anyways, here's the video. Look and observe. You see the hole? You see the hole? My people, that dangerous. Think about a child. Think about the children. What if someone get up and somehow someone's foot somehow end up slip through that hole while the motor vehicle drive at the same time? I can imagine the danger. I mean, it's dangerous even if the motor vehicle not drive. So imagine if the motor vehicle drive and something. Whoa, yo, man, I tell you. And then whosoever own that motor vehicle just leave that hole like that. I wonder if whosoever own that motor vehicle do not know about the hole in the floor of that motor vehicle. Yeah, but that's dangerous, my people. That's really dangerous. And I hope that whosoever own that motor vehicle get that fix. Fix it. You see me I say? Yeah, don't wait until something bad go wrong or something happen, and then that's when all attention start pay to that right there. So that, if all the right authorities see that in a problem that. Yeah, so my people, let me know what you think about all the things that I talked to you about in this video. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright? So until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Manners, respect.